Are you looking for a trusted and reliable plumbing company in your area? Roger Miller's Plumbing is a family-owned and operated business that has been serving Southern California and its neighboring cities since 2001. The Roger Miller's Plumbing Company is a California-licensed, bonded and insured plumbing company with exceptional plumbers and employees. Our plumbers go through a thorough background check so you can rest assured that your home or business is in good hands. We stand by our plumbers' workmanship and we strive to provide the highest level of customer service on every job. Our plumbers get the job done right the first time and they will go the extra mile to achieve that. Roger Miller's Plumbers specialize in a wide range of plumbing services that include sewer repairs, slab leaks, tankless water heaters, drain cleaning, fixture installs, water heater installs and much more. So if you're looking for an expert plumbing company that is a proven leader and professional in your community, please give Roger Miller's Plumbing Company a call today.